Welcome. Today is day 6 of my iPhone videos. We got about 5 inches of snow in about 4 hours last night. So school was canceled. So my grandson and I decided to go sled riding. I thought this would be a good time to make an iPhone video. I put it on my GoPro chest mount, and I thought I had about 70 or 80% battery life, but it died after about 2.5 minutes. I don't know if it was because of the cold. Maybe the battery life was lower than I thought it was. But I got a few scenes, and my grandson used his iPhone. He got a short video clip too. So here we are at day 6. Thanks for watching. Okay, give me a push, Zach. Get me started.
Camera on.
Yeah. I don't think it's gonna work. Wait a second. Almost. Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Yeah. We got to build up a track first. Try to get here. Ready? Oh, let me try it. Welcome to day 6. Today's iPhone video is mostly on the shots of my drone. I use my iPhone to control the drone, so I thought I'd give you a couple shots from there. Also, I noticed a lot of YouTubers, when they're vlogging, they wear sunglasses, and I found out why. Because that way they don't have to look directly at the lens. If you look at the lens over here, then it looks like I'm looking at you. But what they like to do is look at themselves so they can see where the frame of the shot is. So what they do is they wear sunglasses. I also wear a hat, and the reason I wear a hat is because I don't have any hair anymore. Plus, what hair I do have is turned gray. I used to look like this. But now I look like this. So, welcome to today's iPhone video. Thanks for watching. Welcome to day number 8 of 20 iPhone videos. Today is, like I said, day 8. I'm out for a little walk today. I just wanted to say a few words about the crazy Ohio weather we have. First of all, today's Friday. Wednesday, we woke up to 5 inches of snow and school was canceled. Spent the day, the morning, sled riding and using the snowblower. And yesterday, a day later, it was in the high 40s, sunny, no wind. I was outside flying the drone in just a shirt. And as you can see in the background, most of the snow is melted away. And last night was 20 degrees. And today, right now, I think it's in the mid-30s. A little, not sunny, it's cloudy and a little damp, but it's not uncomfortable. But this is typical Ohio springtime weather. And one nice thing is we know that we're going to get more nice days than we are having bad days. And I'm just out for a little walk. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow on day 9. 2, 1, snap. Guess you can see me and hear me now. Let's see how it does. Camera down a little. Wave to the camera. And we'll take her up. 37 feet. We're 24 feet away. We're at 70 feet high. Back it up a little bit. Now we're 115 feet and 66 feet away. Take a little flight. We're 170 feet away. We're still 112 feet high. Let's go over the woods a little bit. Tilt the camera down. Turn a little bit more. Let's go the other way. Okay, tilt the camera up. Turn it facing home and hit return to home. See what happens. Come across, we're 60, 40. Of course, I probably don't have to tell you that. You can see it on the screen. It's coming down. Stop it. And it's landing on its own. Pick it up a little bit. Welcome to GoPro Joe. Hi, I'm Joe. Glad to have you back with me. Today I want to show you how I made a lavalier or a lapel mic, and it works really good. I'm recording on it right now, as you can see. And I used the tape method. I put it on here. I put it under my collar. I actually put it under the flap of my shirt pocket right there, and it worked real well. Now, the only problem with this one is I've only got about 3/4 of cord. What I usually do is I have it attached to my shirt, and I put my phone in my back pocket, and I use it to recover the sound, whether I'm flying the drone or whatever. And then I've learned how to add audio to videos. So if I'm somewhere where the video doesn't pick up good on the GoPro, or it's away from me, or like I say, flying the drone, which doesn't have audio, I can always insert the audio from my phone. And we'll let you can hear what it sounds like now. And let's stop the video. I'll unplug it, and you'll hear what my iPhone sounds like without the lapel mic. Okay, now I'm only about 1.5 feet away from the phone right now, so it probably still sounds pretty good. But like I said, I have put the phone in my back pocket while I'm walking using the lapel mic plugged in, and I think it actually sounds better. Now, actually, what my lapel mic is an old set of iPhone earbuds. These happen to be white. That one was black, which I think maybe hides a little better. But you know, the earbuds have a little mic in the control. One side of them went bad, so we needed new earbuds. And what I did was I cut this earbud off right here. I cut the left earbud off right down at the connection there. So I basically just had this left over. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to hook up a little alligator clip so I can clip it on. And like I say, I've taped it on under the shirt. Works great. Let's go back to the lapel mic. Now, the only thing that you really have to be careful on if you want to do this is make sure you get the right connection. This is just a headphone that doesn't have a microphone. And you'll notice there's a ground, a right, and a left. And on here, there's a ground, a right, a left, and a microphone. So I think this is called a TRS, and this is called a TRRS. And you see it's a little bit bigger. You want to make sure you have this one that has the microphone with it. I'm real pleased with it. Let's put it back in. I am real pleased with this microphone. You don't have to talk loud. Like I say, it can be hidden in here, in your shirt, inside your shirt. It has worked. I think it's working very well. So I just wanted to show you how I made a lapel mic. And basically, it was free. I like free. I simply cut the earbuds off, and it works great. One other thing I forgot to mention on this is I actually taped this to the side of my ukulele, and it made a big difference when recording my ukulele, other than just having the phone sitting there, picking it up. Now, you'll never get to hear that because I can't play the ukulele very well. I can't play the ukulele. Let's put it that way. But it did work. I mean, it's not like an electric guitar, but it does pick up the sound good. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe if you haven't, and please leave a comment. Let me know if you're watching. Let me know what you'd like to see more of. Let me know what you think of my cheapy lapel mic. Thanks a lot.